achieve goals as a critical part of AI. And what is the outcome? You can implement ideas underlying modern logical inference systems. Okay. And after the sixth unit, that is planning, what is the objective? To develop a mind to solve real world problems unconventionally with optimality. And what is the outcome of this planning? You can represent complex problems with expressive yet carefully constrained language of representation. After having all these six units, you can develop your smart system by using AI. Yes, because you will have a practicals also. So there are total six number of practicals. In that six number practical is given as a mini project. You have to develop a smart system using AI. Okay, so that is the basic outcome of this subject. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the introduction of AI. Now we will start our first unit. That the name of that unit is only introduction. So it is specifically introduction to AI. Yes. Now you can tell me what is mean by AI in your opinion or in your observation you have seen.
Making computer intelligent.
Yes, making computer intelligent than human. How we can make computer intelligent?
Ma'am, by providing them the ability to think independently.
Yes, by providing them to think independently.
Or by providing us such a data that they can think differently.
Yes, they can think instantly. For that reason, we require lots of knowledge about reasoning, knowledge, planning, then programs, algorithms, etc., etc. We will learn through this subject. Okay, definitely. Then, first topic is that introduction to AI, the foundations of AI. We will have these types of outline in this unit. In this unit, total AI क्या है वो हमें देखना है, history देखना है, detailed history of AI देखना है, which is very quite interesting. Then risks and benefits of AI देखने हैं. Then agents देखने हैं, agents क्या है in AI, we will see that. Then rationality concept देखना है, nature of environments देखने, environments and agents are part of AI, okay, components of AI. Then we will see in detail structure of agents, that one. Okay, so this is the content of first unit. First of all, we will go through the AI. What is the AI now? It is the one of becoming technologies of computer science. Is it technology of computer science only nowadays?
No, sir. No, ma'am.
Yes, it can be the technology of any area where we can use a AI. Yes, we will see later on again what are the subparts of AI and how it is used. Okay. Now, in today's world, AI is known now all around us. Yes, अभी आप कौन सा भी application use करते हो या फिर Amazon यूज करते हो, YouTube यूज करते हो, वहां पे भी आप AI पाओगे, AI दिखेगा आपको. कहाँ पे दिखेगा?
Recommendation. Recommendation.
Yes, recommendations. जो रिकमेंडेशन आप यूट्यूब का वीडियो देखते हो, यूट्यूब के वीडियोस के साथ में आपको रिकमेंडेशंस आते हैं कि यू कैन आल्सो वॉच दिस. तो वो कहाँ से आते हैं? बाय यूजिंग AI. ओके, AI will learn that what are your interests, and as per your interest, that list will be shown to you. Yes, so it is currently working with a variety of subfields ranging from general to specific, such as self-driving cars. This is the new innovation of AI. Then playing chess, proving theorems, playing music, paintings, etc., etc. So these can be the possible just because of AI. Yes. So what is the exact definition of AI? AI is the one of fascinating and universal field of computer science, okay, and which has a better and great scope in future. It holds a tendency to cause a machine to work like as a human. It is the basic task of a AI. Then artificial intelligence is composed of two words. That is the artificial intelligence, where the artificial defines man's thinking power. That means man-made thinking power is known as artificial intelligence. Yes. So it is defined as it is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like human, and able to make decisions. So this is known as a artificial intelligence. Yes, it is branch of computer science. It is a branch of core computer science by which we can create intelligent machines. Rule for modifying the connection strength between the neurons. So that nowadays that rule is known as a Hebbian learning. That is also evolution. Then in 1950, the Alan Turing who was an English mathematician and pioneered machine learning in 1950. Alan Turing publishes a computing machinery and intelligence in which he proposed a test. That test is called as a Turing test. Okay, that test will be performed on a Turing machines. That's why this test is known as a Turing test. That test checks the machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human intelligence. That's why this test is called as a Turing test. Got it? So this is the first phase of AI or history of AI. Then what is the second phase? From 1952 to 1956. In 55, the Allen Nabel and Herbert A. Simon created a first artificial intelligence program, which was named as a logic theorist. This program had proved that 32 out of 52 mathematics theorems and find new, more elegant proofs for the sum theorems. Out of 52, 38 theorems will be proved that and successfully proved that theorems, and that theorems are known as the logic theorist. Then in 1956, the word AI first adopted by American computer scientist John McCarthy at the Dartmouth conference. For the first time, AI coined as an academic field. ये कॉन्फ्रेंस है, कॉन्फ्रेंस का नेम है डार्टमाउथ कॉन्फ्रेंस, वेयर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस ये वर्ड यूज हुआ बाय दिस scientist, that is John McCarthy, and from there that AI concept is known as an academic field. Okay, मतलब 1956 में AI ये word introduce हुआ. Then at that time, high-level computer languages are there, just like as a Fortran, Lisp, and COBOL that were invented there. And the enthusiasm for AI was very high at that time. आपको पता है कि फर्स्ट कौन सी लैंग्वेज यूज हुई AI में? फोर्ट्रान यूज हुआ, लिस्प यूज हुआ या कोबोल यूज हुआ? पता है क्या? ये भी क्वेश्चन है, बहुत सारे जगह पे पूछा जाता है, गेट में भी पूछा जाता है. ये लैंग्वेजेस पता है क्या आपको कि ये भी लैंग्वेजेस थे? फोर्ट्रान, लिस्प, कोबोल.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Lisp is the language. This is the first programming language the AI's program is written. Yes, ये भी ध्यान में रखो आप. Lisp में first program write हुआ था AI का. Then the golden years early enthusiasm that are from the 1956 to 1974. In 66, the researchers emphasized the developing algorithms which can solve the mathematical problems. जनरली आपने अगर देखा होगा अभी तक की हिस्ट्री में तो मैथमेटिशियंस से बहुत यूज किया एआई का टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, सो दिस इज द साइंटिस्ट अगेन जोसेफ वेंजर created the first chatbot in 1966. मतलब तब से chatbot start हुआ है, लेकिन हमें chatbot का कब से पता चला? From 1966, the chatbots were introduced by this scientist, that is Joseph Wenzel, and which was named as Eliza. Okay, and in 1972, the robot was developed as an intelligent humanoid robot, and that robot was named as Robot One, and which is the invention of Japan. Okay, and it is known as winter here. इमेज में अलग नेम है, ठीक है, विंटर उसको बोलते हैं. द फर्स्ट एआई विंटर. अभी ये विंटर क्या है? दिस इज द स्लैग ऑफ एआई. वेयर द ड्यूरेशन बिटवीन 1974 to 1980 was the first AI winter duration. AI winter refers to the time period where computer scientists dealt with severe shortage of funding from the government for AI researcher. मतलब ये जो है, ये पीरियड जो है 1974 to 80, एआई साइंटिस्ट जो थे, रिसर्चर्स जो थे, उनको फंडिंग ही अवेलेबल नहीं हुआ गवर्नमेंट से, इसलिए ये पीरियड में कुछ भी इवोल्यूशन नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, ये फर्स्ट एआई विंटर है. वैसे ही सेकेंड एआई विंटर भी है. इसका मतलब क्या है? सेकेंड फ्लैग भी आया था एआई में. देन अभी देखो यहाँ पे 1974 to 80 में ये हुआ, बट आफ्टर 1980 to 1987 the boom of AI will come. Was come. You can see in 1980, after AI winter duration, AI came back with expert system. Expert systems were programmed that emulate the decision-making ability of human experts. Okay, so expert systems are introduced in 1980. In the 80s, the first national conference of the American Association of AI was held at Stanford University, from where the expert systems get evaluated. Then second AI winter was there at from the 1987 to 1993. मतलब 87 to 93 में again AI का flag है. The duration between this was second AI winter duration. Again, investors and government stopped the funding for AI research as due to high cost but not efficient result. क्यों दिया नहीं उनको फंड? क्योंकि कॉस्ट ज्यादा है AI मशीन्स को लगने वाली, और रिजल्ट उतना इफिशिएंट नहीं था. That's why from 87 to 93 there was no funding given by the government to AI researchers. The expert system such as XCON was very cost effective. जो expert system 1980 to 87 में evolve हुआ था, that is the name of that system is XCON. That was very cost effective. That's why the decision will be taken. The decision was taken by that government to not to provide the fund to the AI researchers. Then after 1993 to 2011, again AI comes in the market. In 1997, IBM Deep Blue Bits World Chess Champion was there. Gary Kasparov and became the first computer to beat a world chess championship. So in 1997, the chess was played by this AI machine. In 2002, for the first time, AI entered in a home in the form of Roomba. मैंने बताया आपको इमेज में भी home automation में AI use हुआ. That machines or that system's name is Roomba. It is a vacuum cleaner. Okay. So in 2006, AI came in the business world till the year 2006. Companies like Facebook, Twitter, Netflix also started using AI from 2006 itself. And the last phase of the AI, that is coming from 2011 to present. अब तक जो भी है क्या चल रहा है? From 11, at the year 11, IBM's Watson won Jeopardy, a quiz show. मैंने बताया आपको, he won the quiz show by using the AI machine or AI predictive analysis, where it had to solve the complex question as well as riddles. Watson had proved that it could understand natural language and it can solve the tricky questions as well by using AI technology. Then in 2012, Google launched that app feature that is now named as a Google Now by using AI, which was able to provide information to the user as a prediction. Okay. In 2014, chatbot was invented that names as Eugen Guzman won a competition in the infamous Turing test. During a Turing test, this chatbot was helpful to this Eugen Guzman. Then in 18, the project debater from IBM debated on complex topics with two master debaters and also performed extremely well. This is the recent evolution of AI. And now Google has demonstrated an AI program that is called as a duplex, which was a virtual assistant and which had taken hairdresser appointment on a call, and a lady on the other side didn't notice that she was talking with the machine. AI chatbot virtual assistant उन्होंने बनाया recently that is talking with that particular lady, but that lady doesn't understand that machine is talking with her. So this all is the history of AI. Interesting, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's all. This is the history of AI. Now, after having this, can you tell me the advantages or disadvantages? वो हम देखेंगे डिटेल में, बट आपको पता है क्या? अभी हमने इतने सारे एप्लीकेशंस देखे.
Ma'am, in healthcare, one application or one advantage could be like it can predict cancer at early stages.
Yes. It is a good application or advantage in healthcare. Any other?
In other accuracy matters in AI.
Yes, accuracy. Where we require more accuracy, then we can use AI there, other than human. Where it is, it can be seen. मतलब इसका रियल टाइम एप्लीकेशन बता सकते हो जहाँ पे हम एक्यूरेसी रिक्वायर्ड है बहुत सारी.
बरं ठीक आहे चालेल. मला कधी काय होणार मग? बरं ठीक आहे चालेल.
Aeroplane systems.
Yes, in aeroplane system for weather forecast detection. Yes.
इन्फॉर्मेशन मला येऊ द्या. तोच
Yes.
तोच.
Yes. Because it can be, it can predict the live analysis, or it can predict the weather forecast earlier to happen any accident. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
नाही तो दुसरा पण नाही बोलला. तो म्हटला 1 महिना लागेल.
So there are lots of advantages. I have named here few of them. First one is a high accuracy with less errors, as Abhishek said. Where we require high accuracy, then we can have the AI system there. Yes. But it provides accuracy or more accuracy than human. Okay. Then high speed. Okay. As compared to human, अगर आपने human को mathematics का problem solve करने दिया और AI system को दिया, तो it will definitely machine will take less time than human. That's why it provides the high speed operations or high speed predictions based on the algorithms much speeder than human. Okay. See, example दिया है यहाँ पे. AI system can beat a chess champion in the chess game in very high speed. Then high reliability. Why it is called as the reliability, or why reliability is provided by the AI? Can we say it is reliable? उस पे बिलीव कर सकते हैं हम, पूरा ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why?
Because the system is developed in such a way that the tasks which are given, it will definitely.
Yes, because we have given the instructions and we know that machines are doing in our way. Okay, that's why मतलब वो मिस्टेक कर ही नहीं सकता. वो पता है हमें मशीन्स, क्योंकि जितने भी टास्क और जितने भी एल्गोरिथम हमने उसको दिए वो उसी वे में जाने वाला है. अदर देन दैट इट कैन नॉट थिंक. दैट्स वाई वो गलती कर ही नहीं सकता, हमें पता है. दैट्स वाई वी कैन हैव 100% trust over that. That's why it provides the high reliability features also. Then next one is a useful for risky areas. ये हमने एप्लीकेशन में भी देखा, जहाँ पे हम ह्यूमंस को नहीं भेज सकते वहाँ पे हम एआई रोबोट्स या फिर एआई सिस्टम भेज सकते हैं या फिर एआई मशीन्स प्लेस कर सकते हैं. यस, for research purpose we can use. It can be helpful in situations such as defusing a bomb. मतलब बॉम्ब डिफ्यूज करना होगा, वहाँ पे भी हम रोबोट्स को भेज सकते हैं. यस, जहाँ पे हम ह्यूमन को भेज के रिस्क नहीं ले सकते. देन एक्सप्लोरिंग द ओशन फ्लोर, that can be the place where we cannot say we don't want to send humans to take a risk. Then where to employ a human can be risky. That places we can use AI machines. Then digital assistant, it is a virtual assistant or it can be the assistant which provides the assistance in many businesses, just like as e-commerce. Then many websites uses nowadays assistant, Google Assistant or digital assistant to provide the assistance at a glance. आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स पे चैटबॉट्स होते हैं या फिर वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट्स होते हैं जो हमें वेबसाइट को गेन करने में या फिर वेबसाइट को अंडरस्टैंड करने में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होते हैं. यस, so this can be the advantage of AI. Then useful as a public utility. इसका एग्जांपल क्या होगा? Public utility means such as a self-driving car. It is the new invention of AI, which can make our journey safer and hassle-free. Then facial recognition, facial recognition for security purpose. Then NLP, natural language processing, to communicate with the human in human language. NLP यूज होता है बहुत सारी जगह पे with the AI to understand the natural languages which human can talk. Yes, जहाँ पे लैंग्वेज बैरियर होता है, आप देख सकते हो कि बहुत सारी जगह पे हम जाते हैं लोकल एरियाज या फिर जहाँ पे लोकल लैंग्वेजेस बोली जाती है लेकिन हमें वो लैंग्वेज पता नहीं होती. सो देयर यू कैन यूज AI सिस्टम फॉर नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग. यस, एनी एग्जांपल डू यू नो?
किती वाजता?
Google Assistant also uses NLP.
Yes, Google Assistant is also providing the NLP. Yes. बहुत सारे एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी आते हैं उसके. Okay. So these are the advantages. Can we stop here? Disadvantages भी है लेकिन आपको टाइम हो जाएगा. अभी शुक्ला सर आए थे, उन्होंने बोला है कि आपको 12 से 3 ब्रेक दिया गया है to take marksheet from the college. And after 3 you will have that training session. Training means you that Python, Java and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we will see disadvantages and benefits and risks tomorrow. Tomorrow means in next lecture.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
it will.
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait for a second. आता का admit होते
पूर्ण
हैं.
नाईट हे करायची की काय?
Just give me your present numbers, but one by one. नहीं तो chat box में या sorry
तेच करावं लागेल बुधवारची पण.
chat box में डालो. Then I will make your attendance.
झालं नाही ना अजून ते क्लिअर? हा 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 कुठून घेतली? तिथूनच हे सायकल होतं.
Just remember 12 से 3 आपका ब्रेक है और 3 बजे आपका सेशन है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After entering your roll number, you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
म्हणजे कसं
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
त्याच्याकडून ते वकिलाकडूनच